welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lindsay from Treehouse Schoolhouse, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a hand rhyme called Carrot Seeds. This one is from Edible Gardening Week in Treehouse Nature Study Spring. Such a very fun week. So you're going to put your hand out, and this is going to be your garden for our entire hand rhyme. And this is how it goes. This is my garden. I'll rake it with care, and then some carrot seeds I will plant there. The sun will shine, the rain will fall, and my garden will sprout, then grow straight and tall. I will pull the carrots right out of the ground and share them with all who are hungry around. Isn't that so sweet? Go ahead and like and subscribe below so you don't miss any of our hand rhymes, and we'll see you next time. Bye.